Afternoon to everyone. I am pleased to deliver this message of support, even if only virtually, for this milestone event. I'd like to acknowledge the strong presence and leadership of RD Flora Gabonales of DTI Region 12. RD Flora, your vision and leadership have been instrumental to the continuous success of Treasures of Region 12 Trade Fair. It is a testament to your efforts that this remarkable showcase has expanded its reach and is now here in the City of Love, Iloilo. It is also with great pleasure that I acknowledge OIC Regional Director Dinda Tamayo of DTI Region 6. Thank you, RD Dinda, because your presence is a tangible testimony to the spirit of collaboration among our DTI regions in our shared mission of empowering the micro, small, and medium enterprises. A special acknowledgement also goes to the dedicated representatives from the local government units for their indispensable partnership. My gratitude also extends to our partners from other government agencies and the Regional SMED Council. To the provincial directors, division chief present, and all our technical staff, the trade promotion officers of Region 12, thank you for your tireless efforts. To everyone present here, especially the BIDA for this trade fair, the MSMEs, maayong nga hapon sa inyong atanan. Let me start by wholeheartedly congratulating DTI Region 12 from producing Treasures of Region 12 locally with your region back in year 2014 to continuously expanding its footprint to different regions of the country and now finding its home in the City of Love. This is truly worthy of congratulations. You have been true to the department's vision to effectively showcase the outstanding products of your region to the rest of the country. Trade fairs and exhibits like this one are a cornerstone of the Department of Trade and Industry's strategy. We would like to believe that our core competence is truly in marketing. The trade fairs that we have are not just selling venues. They are crucial platforms for market testing, product development, and establishing vital linkages. We are committed to achieving sustained and inclusive growth by helping micro, small, and medium enterprises scale up, enhance their competitiveness, and participate actively in the domestic and global markets. We aim to nurture world-class Filipino entrepreneurs and globally competitive Philippine products. To our DTI team, keep moving forward. Continue your mantra of serbisyong higit pa sa inaasahan. The overwhelming success of Treasures of Region 12 will be a direct result of your relentless efforts, innovation, and hard work. Your dedication to the department's mandate fuels the growth of our grassroots economy. To our micro, small, and medium enterprises, make the most out of this opportunity. Network with potential buyers, customers, and partners. Take this event as a chance to grow your businesses, not just by earning, but by learning as well. Go beyond your comfort zone and embrace the vast possibilities that lie ahead. Let me also take this opportunity to invite everyone here in Iloilo City. Enjoy the bountiful creations of Region 12. To our friends and Kasimanwa from Iloilo, as it is the first time of Treasures of Region 12 to visit the City of Love, I encourage you to enjoy the beauty and abundance of Soxergen through their exceptional products and culture. To everyone, may we all continue to support our local economy by patronizing local products. Let us buy local and be vocal. Mabuhay ang MSMEs. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat.
Thank you very